Hi, my name's Scott with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough of our beautiful 2019 Mastercraft NXT20. This boat's got the beautiful Calypso green with the white teak swim deck. It's got the great little sea deck step here so you can put your board on and just kind of hang out if you want to. We got the gray cloud interior with the Calypso green accent. This boat has a Z2 tower with swivel wake and wake surf racks, full bimini. Got your built-in cooler over here. Tons of storage over here on the other side. This boat has a flip-up storage. So lots of storage on this 20-foot boat. It's great for putting all your life jackets, skis, wakeboards, wake surfboards away. It's really great. Here's the dual controls over here. You got the clisp center, wake, surf, and ballast, and tab settings, all that over here. It's got the gray snap-in carpet. It's got a really wide bow pickle fork. Aesthetically, it looks awesome, and lots of room. You could sit, 3 to 4 people up here very easily. This boat's equipped with the push speakers. Great wake surf and wakeboard and water ski boat. This boat will do everything for you and your family to have a great fun day out on the lake. Come and check us out at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, or check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com and come look at this beautiful 2019 Mastercraft NXT20. Thank you so much.